all these four criterion which we are going to learn about. First one is SSS congruence criterion. In this, if two triangles are given and we get three sides to be equal, so we can say the triangles are congruent using SSS congruence criterion. If two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to two sides and included angle of the other triangle, so two triangles will be congruent using SAS. And third one is ASA. Again, in this you have to keep in mind, here angle should be included between the sides, and here the side should be included between the angles we are talking about. And last one is RHS, right angle, that is your 90-degree angle should be there in both the triangles. Hypotenuse should be of same length and one side should be of same length. So you can use RHS congruence criterion, ASA, SAS, SS to prove the congruence of triangles. So let's start with SSS congruence criterion. This is your side, SSS stands for your three sides. So let's start with an example. If I draw this, sometimes only figure is given and sometimes even the sides are mentioned and given to you. So if I take O, P, Q, R, right? So if it is only marked for you that this is equal to this, sometimes only figure and these marks are there. From this you can write what is given to you. So what is given? This side is given to be equal to this side. So first we write what is given. Given RO is equal to RQ. RO is equal to RQ and this marks tells these two sides are equal, and PO is equal to PQ. Now let's see, we have to talk about three sides. Two sides they have already given, and then they are asking us to prove the congruency. So let's write to prove. To prove ROP, triangle ROP is congruent to triangle RQP. Now after writing what was given in the question, what we have to prove in the question, we write, we can add on one more thing to prove here. Second, they are asking RP bisects, RP bisects, let me take this as angle ORQ. RP bisects ORQ. So you have to give reason why you are telling that RP is bisecting ORQ. Now first understand the meaning. Bisect means dividing in two parts, equal parts. So if I talk about ORQ, RP is dividing this angle, full angle, in two equal parts. So after we have proved the congruency, we can say all the corresponding parts are equal. This we have already taken into account when we are proving the congruency. So once this triangle is proved to be congruent to this triangle, we can say corresponding paths are equal. So for that we will write for the second part. So after this, let's write the proof. We have noted down what is given in the question, what is to be proved. So let's write the proof now. First, always when you start the proof, you can copy the given. So once you write proof, after writing given and to proof, we come to proof. How do you start your proof? Always you can copy what is given in the question. So it makes your task easier. So when you are starting the proof, you copy RO is equal to RQ, PO is equal to PQ, and once you have written in the given part, now you can write from where you have copied this. You have copied from given. So it should be written before you start your solution that what is given, so that you can mention in bracket this was given in the question. Now we can see RP is common to both the triangles. RP is common to both the triangles. So we can write RP is equal to RP common side. Common side. Now you can see we have got side, side and side, and you can also see from here R corresponds to R, O corresponds to Q, and P corresponds to P. So after this you can write triangle ROP is congruent to triangle RQP, and must mention the criterion you have used. I have checked the three sides, I have got to be equal. So you can write SSS congruence criterion. So we have proved first part, now we'll prove the second part. So you can write congruence criterion. Again repeating, criterion is for the singular rule, and if you talk about all the four rules, you call it criteria. Now we have proved the first part of the question. Now they are asking to prove that is this line bisecting this angle. So for that you have to prove, let me mark it as 1 and 2. I am marking this angle as 1, this angle as 2. So once you have proved the congruency, you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by simply mentioning that corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Congruent triangles. And once you prove that this angle is equal to this angle, you can, what it suggests, that this part is equal to this part means that this RP is bisecting angle ORQ. Therefore, RP bisects angle ORQ. So you should learn what is the meaning of bisect. Bisect means the two parts are equal, and they are equal because we have proved the congruency.